Patrick from QDoctor. Today we're going to dive a little deeper into scheduled templating and how it's instrumental to rebuilding after COVID-19. Right now, you want to be moving to open access templating. Remove very specific templating. It will cause longer waits and lower utilization. Open access templating allows almost any appointment type to go in any slot. You basically want to have two types of templates. One for virtual and one for in-person. That's it. Then, the second part of that challenge is going to be communicating that to the providers. But you need to do it. For providers, just like any other person, they have preferences. They want to do certain tasks at certain times a day. Same thing with scheduling and seeing patients. But the main goal right now needs to be building up patient volume safely and quickly. Communicating that to providers is important. Getting their buy-in is important. Right? You don't want people to return to the old ways. This is a big opportunity. So when communicating it to providers, what you want to do is one, let them know why. They will understand. Two, let them know timeline. Right? You may not want to do this forever. Although there is a lot of studies around the benefits of open access, provider pushback is one of the things that can get in the way of implementation. So, at the very least, say, hey, this is something we're going to do for the next 6 months. We'll revisit after that. But for the next 6 months, our goal is to rebuild patient volume, get all those patients in, and make sure we can put everyone back to work. So first, we're communicating to providers why. Second, we're communicating to providers for how long. And third, you want to get their input, specifically in the breakdown of when the telemedicine and the in-person visits are going to happen. That way, they still have control. Going open access will really help you rebuild. You want to make sure you do it. You want to make sure you get providers buy-in. Everyone, we're going to get out of this. You're going to rebuild. You're going to rebuild stronger than ever. Have a phenomenal week.